Eki nikijeho bwanyuma ya FUFA kwongera amaano mu by'emizaano mu ihanga na mnongo omupiira gw'ebigyere na munonga aha bazaani na n'abahagizi.
This area, Toro, they have done a very big job in contributing to national football in terms of women football, men's football.
Ebi byagambwa orumukuru wa FUFA Moses Magogo bwanyuma y'orukiiko nabikukwataho omu kyanga eki. Magogo yashobora omugasho gwa Buhinga Stadium n'okutungura entaranta hamwe n'okutaayisa emizaano erikuruga aheeru.
We are together with the people of this area in asking government and the federation to ensure that we get the Buhinga Stadium, because this is a city, if you look at it, the way it's designed, the tourist attractions in this area, it's a city that football should be able to benefit from by bringing international competitions here.
Bo abebembezi b'ekyanga abarimu abanyishengero bashobora kubakuza kukwatanisa na FUFA ahabw'okuba nihija kubaho kutunga emirimo hamwe n'okurambura otiireho na n'okworeka entaranta z'abantu.
Presidenti akaturaganiza kabebembezi abakuruga omu Toro region tutangatangana aha nsonga zaitu kandi ekimu hali ebi nikyo ekikwatagana na Buhinga Stadium kurora twatunga ekizaaniro eky'omulembe ekikwija kuba kitukyaho obuhereza oburungi habwe by'emizaano ey'omupiira.
Gali mazima ekigendo kyete kikuru nka Toro region kitwegomba itwe na twataniza hamwe n'abembezi bagenzi bange abakunza omupiira n'abatakugonza. There's nothing can unite us. Busa kisoko kuteraniza oyiro muzaano ku mupiira baitu yaturaganiza nte najya kumizamu kutusagika no turantu genda ku meeting president wetu ihanga abo kusaba ibintu bya Toro n'ebindi ajya kugenda naitwe amwijukize ekizano cy'omupiira nkosole kitunga.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Justin Nyakisiki abwa Sky Television against Wrong.
That vision men.